welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to do unboxing video. I just came back from work, so let's do it. So finally guys, our order is here. It's here. So yeah, we are going to do unboxing video today for you guys. So maybe this is just a short video, but I just want to, share my excitement and the unboxing experience with you guys because I've been dreaming to have these. So we have our new Samsung 55 inches TV with sound bar. Oh my god, that is insane, you guys. So here it is. Yay! So we are going to do unboxing video because, oh my god, thank you Lord for the small blessing that you've given to us. And yay! So come here, Louie. So Louie and I will be doing unboxing video. Hey Louie, are you excited for our new TV? Are you excited? Huh? Come on, help me. Let's do unboxing video. Come on. And I have here my sealer. And Louie, come here. Louie. So first we have here the Samsung sound bar. Come here, Louie. Here. Stay here. So we have here the sound bar. A450 or A450. It says here subwoofer included, boost, adaptive sound light, one remote control, and game mode. So this is oh my god. Oh my god, guys, this is our sound bar. We're going to unbox this one first, the sound bar, and we will set it up later. There you go, guys. Oh my god, this is insane, guys. It's so big. So now that I already opened it, guys, it's so heavy. It is heavy, guys. It is. Oh wait, what is this? Wait, I don't know how to open it. How? So I'll just grab this one first. There you go. So oh my god. That is so big. This is insane, guys. So this is from Samsung. Thank you, Samsung. Here you go, guys. This is the first one. And then I'll just put this one first inside so we're organized. I don't want to make a mess. Side. And we have here our sound bar. So we have here your connectors or links, it says here. Some paperworks. The remote control. Let's have a look. What? Oh my god, it is so cute. Look. And then the sound bar. Oh my god, that is so luxe. Oh, what? It says here Dolby Audio Energy Star. It says, oh my god, that is so insane, you guys. There you go. Anything else? So you have here some your cords and batteries are included. And what is this? Okay, if you want to mount it on your wall, it has some screws and everything. So yeah, there you go, guys. Our sound bar. Okay, I'll just clear this one, and then we will move on to our TV. Anyways, we're not allowed to mount it on the wall, so I'll just keep it. Thank you, Samsung. Okay. To unbox our TV. It says here Crystal Ultra HD. Apples are related. It has AirPlay and it has Google Chromatic as well. So yes, I'm so excited. So now guys, we are going to unbox our TV. Look how big it is, enormous. Oh my god, guys, it is so big. Okay, we will do. Oh my god, that is so thin, guys. I'll just call for reinforcement because this is so heavy and it is so delicate. All the things that I can grab are the remote controls, the plugs, and some paperworks. We have here the stands. And if you want to put it on your wall, they put this extra thing. I don't know what do you call this, but you just need to screw it on the wall. There you go! I'll be back and I'll just show you after we put it on the table. And then, there you go, guys. We just fixed the stand. And then now, we are moving on to the next round. What is this one too? So we already plugged the main one. What else? We have the antenna cord, we have the battery, and we have the remote control here. So I think that's it. Going to unbox unwrap the remote control. Oh, I want to put it there. So here's the remote control, guys. It is so posh. Prime Video, Netflix, and what? Look, guys. They have a button for Netflix, Prime Video, and Google Web. Wait, batteries. Slim, guys. Look at our old remote controller. Look! Oh my god, we're in the picture now. Okay, we're going to open now our TV. Yay! We're all done! There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Here it is! Okay, we will try. Alexa. Alexa. Huh? There. Ay, we don't have Amazon. So look at the dog, guys. He got tired from unboxing and setting up the TV and the sound bar. So, oh my god. So guys, we've been looking for some connectors or something, but I think this is a wireless auto-link sound system. So it is amazing. Thank you, Samsung. So guys, this is our TV now. You can watch my vlog. There you go, guys. It's so crystal clear. Hi everyone, we are here in Tomariro National Park. So can you hear it, guys? So this is what the sounds. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.